All right, we are going to go over order of operations today and just do some examples. So let's just go over this really quickly. So we have PEMDAS, which stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. What I did on this side is I just put levels. So this would be level 1. Okay, level 1 is parentheses, level 2 is exponents, level 3 is multiplication and division, level 4 is addition and subtraction. And I just put these levels up here just to show that multiplication and division are actually on the same level as are addition and subtraction. So that means you do multiplication and division from left to right. Okay? You do not do multiplication first and then do division. And it's the same with addition and subtraction. You don't do addition first and then do subtraction. You do both of them at the same time, whichever comes first, left to right. So, it's good to just write this down on your scrap sheet or anything that anytime you're doing work like this, so you can just go back and check. Anyway, let's do this problem here. So the first level is parentheses. So we do what's in parentheses first. From left to right, there's only one thing in parentheses right now, which would be 8 minus 4. So what you want to do when you're solving these expressions is you want to solve one thing at a time and then rewrite the whole thing, okay, with just that one thing solved and rewrite everything else. Because if you don't do this, you're going to be confused with, you're not going to be able to keep track of what exactly what exactly you've done and what you haven't done. So now we did level 1. Okay, now we have exponents. There are no exponents. Okay, I don't think we're going to do any exponents in 5th grade, but it's good to just know that that's what comes next. Multiplication and division. So we have 5 times 4, okay? So we're doing the multiplication and division from left to right. So we have 5 times 4 would be 20. And then we can keep this, okay? Now we're doing the division, right, from left to right, or multiplication and division from left to right. 20 divided by 2 equals 10 plus 8. Then we're just doing addition and subtraction, and this equals 18. So anytime you're doing these expressions or equations, you need to make sure that you are using this format where each step you're rewriting the problem with one part of it solved. This will be especially useful in middle school and high school once you get into algebra and just in general. But you really need to make sure that you keep things neat and use this format.